In the midst of the new cryptographic money implosion, Jasmycoin (Jasmy) declined to the record-breaking low of $0.0083 on 12 May, as per CoinMarketCap. Be that as it may, the local badge of an information security convention bounced back rapidly and acquired than 56% and was exchanging at $0.013 at the hour of compassing, 18 May. Nonetheless, it was all the while exchanging over close to 100% underneath its unsurpassed excessive cost of $4.99, accomplished on 16 February 2021. Recently, the market has been in a condition of disturbance, and most of coins, including Bitcoin (BTC) and Ethereum (ETH), declined dynamically during the earlier week. While BTC arrived at its 52-week low of $26,350, the world's second biggest coin, ETH, declined to its 90-day low of $1,748 on 12 May. Is the market headed towards a heavier disadvantage and a long crypto winter, or is this a time of an extreme market remedy? Will the cost of the Jasmy token proceed to increase, or will it decrease before very long? We should consider the venture's basics and the most recent Jasmycoin news to get a more clear attitude toward what may be a conceivable Jasmycoin cost expectation. What is Jasmycoin? As indicated by Jasmy's white paper, the web interfaces a wide range of devices and individuals, simplifying lives. Be that as it may, attributable to the multiplication of a few media channels and web gateways, client information is at this point not private. Therefore, various organizations own significant information made by clients' day-to-day exercises. The Jasmy platform tries to re-establish every individual's information possession so everybody can utilize their information securely. To achieve this, Jasmy consolidated blockchain and Web of Things (IoT) innovation to make a stage that empowers clients to shield their information in an individual information vault. The information stays the client's confidential property. The organization utilizes the Interplanetary File System (IPFS), which joins a Secure Knowledge Communicator (SKC) and Smart Guardian innovation to get the framework from digital dangers and malware. Savvy Guardian (SG) is one of the principal administrations utilized by the Jasmy convention to empower straightforward and safe enrollment of IoT gadgets on a scattered organization that the gadget proprietor can get to. In the interim, the SKC work conducts character confirmation and enlistment, empowering clients to approve and follow exchanges. At the point when clients offer their inclinations to organizations, they get Jasmy coins in return. These coins can be utilized for gains or to buy labor and products. The Jasmy token is the local money of the Jasmy convention and is utilized as a mechanism of installment for various organization exchanges. Jasmy was based on the Ethereum organization and works as an ERC20 token. It is utilized in the accompanying ways. By organizations to utilize client-claimed information put away in an information storage on the Jasmy stage. For speculation, which will provoke higher interest for information use and speed up information democratization. Jasmycoin news and cost drivers. The venture has shared a few significant updates recently, which might influence the Jasmy token cost. Organization with slowest technology. Jasmy laid out an essential security organization with slowest technology in September 2021. Slowest directed a security review on Jasmycoin, which passed the weakness and extension to a broad business sectors in January 2022. Jasmy reported that it's prepared to advance its business outside Japan and lay out a global presence chiefly in North America and Asia. The organization will assemble collusions with organizations zeroed in on blockchain and AI innovation. New associations. Sagan Tosu and Mystico.network. Jasmy worked together with Sagan Tosu, one of the top groups in the Japanese Football League, in September 2021 and turned into its support. In May 2022, Jasmy declared that it has begun planning and fostering a fan token NFT, utilizing the Jasmy IoT stage. In April 2022, Jasmy cooperated with Mystico.network, a multi-chain protection SDK that will assist with verifying clients and gadgets without sharing confidential information to the correspondence organization and to make IoT information really secure and private to clients. Jasmy United States dollar cost examination. Jasmy token's cost activity has been extremely unstable since its origin. In light of the earliest accessible cost information on an outline from 2021, the Jasmy token cost spiked from $1.29 on 12 February to its record-breaking high of $4.99 on 16 February, a flood of over 286%. Notwithstanding, the value neglected to keep up with its energy and declined to $1.77 on 19 February, a fall of over 64% from the pinnacle. Its negative energy proceeded, and the Jasmycoin lined at $1.02 on 16 April. The cost activity turned momentarily bullish, and the Jasmy token acquired more than 100% to reach $2.15 on 5 May. Be that as it may, the bears tumbled the cost to $0.011 on 12 July, a downfall of over close to 100% from the May high. The cost activity remained fairly level for the following several months, and the token came to $0.017 on 5 October. Among October and November, the token encountered a bull rally, and its cost spiked over 1,488% to 27 cents on 2 November. It shut the year at $0.085. During the beginning of 2022, the token gave no indications of a recovery. It declined to $0.011 on 8 March and imploded to the unsurpassed low of $0.0083 on 12 May. In the midst of the complete implosion of the worldwide cryptographic money market. At the hour of compassing, 18 May, the token was exchanging at $0.013 and had a market capitalization of $64.8 million. Jasmycoin cost expectation. Targets for 2022, 2025 and 2030, according to CoinCodex's transient cost point of view toward 18 May. Jasmy had a negative feeling, with 15 specialized markers giving negative signs and 10 bullish. A large portion of the everyday and week-after-week basic moving midpoints, SMA, and outstanding moving midpoints, EMA, gave sell signals. The volume-weighted moving normal, VWMA, and the Hull moving normal, HMA, gave purchase signals. In the meantime, the general strength record, RSI, the moving typical assembly disparity, MACD, and the typical directional list, ADX, kept unbiased. As per the momentary Jasmy cost expectation by CoinCodex, the cryptographic money could decline to $0.010240 on 23 May 2022. A few calculation-based gauging administrations gave blended longer-term Jasmy expectations for 2022, and then some. According to wallet investors Jasmy Gauge, the token could be a terrible long-haul venture. It assessed that the coin's normal cost could decline to $0.000865 toward the finish of 2022 and $0.000485 toward the finish of 2025. Its 5-year Jasmy crypto cost expectation showed that the token could reach $0.000484 in May 2027. The Jasmy forecast from price prediction was somewhat bullish, starting around 18 May. It recommended that the normal cost in 2022 could be $0.013 and $0.019 in 2023.